chance to pay. What can I say? Are you different? If you're living life the same as every single person in front of your fucking screen, we so focused on the shit that we're watching, we don't see the world changing while we're talking, consuming our vomit, just to get our brain up for the moment. People acting like they know shit about shit they never fuck with if they saw it. I'll be honest, it's exhausting as you make people want it till it's gone. They forget shit like you're garbage. Had to lose to let myself loose. In my veins I'm feeling brand new. I don't give a fuck lately, I'ma do me, mask up on a date. Love to free me, hey please you only feed me. I wanna be me, I wanna be me, LA lights got my eye, yeah. Days come and go. LA dreams got my eye, yeah. I'm just going with the flow. LA lights got my eyes, yeah. Days come and go. LA dreams got my eyes, yeah. I'll just go with the flow.
Trying to change my lane and cars imported, act important in the Range Rover. It's a takeover, call the warden, game over. You can win what you risk, and you ain't risk shit. This a game of chance, little bitch. Ain't been paid, but I'm staying late. Taking flights out to the bay. No face, Haja Mole. Mistakes made out in LA.
Be who I wanna be if everything falls apart. LA nights, LA lights will lead me through the dark. Life's a game, I'm here to win, put to shame those who cloud my art. Grinding, saying I'm killing this, you clowns know this is just a start.